Noticed a strange charge on your credit card? Don't panic. First, take a closer look at the transaction details. Sometimes, alerts can help you catch issues instantly. Check the amount, date, and merchant name carefully. Compare it with your receipts or past purchases. Look at the exact date to remember the transaction. Ask yourself, did you make this purchase? Also check if someone else used your card. Review your online order history for confirmation. If unsure, contact the merchant directly first. They might quickly resolve or refund the charge. If they don't respond, move to the next step. Now contact your credit card issuer. Call the number on the back of your card. Explain the issue clearly to customer support. They will guide you to file a dispute. Provide all proof like receipts or screenshots. Submit your dispute request properly. Now wait while the bank reviews your case. You may receive a temporary refund. Meanwhile, the bank will investigate the transaction. They may contact the merchant for details. All documents will be carefully reviewed. If valid, your dispute will be approved. If not, it may be denied, but you can still try again with more proof. Submit additional evidence if available. Wait for the final decision. Once resolved, your money is secured. Always monitor your account to stay protected.